Igbo young billionaire Jowizaza visits Cubana Chief Priest new restaurant in Lagos called the Donors. Okay guys, Igbo young billionaire Jowizaza pulled up at Cubana Chief Priest new restaurant in Lagos in grand style. You have to see the expensive and luxurious cars he came with, and you have to see the Nigerian celebrities that have been trooping in to Cubana Chief Priest new restaurant that is happening in Lekki, Lagos, and he has been pulling a massive crowd. Everybody are just coming in to congratulate him and also support him. This is a massive achievement to Cubana Chief Priest, and all his friends has been coming in massively, and hopefully we are going to see Obi Cubana coming in soon, and also the Emoney and the rest of them. Jowizaza pulled up with his new bride. Jowizaza will be getting married any moment soon. He came with his beautiful bride as he was seen having a good time in Cubana Chief Priest new restaurant. Cubana Chief Priest welcomed them in grand style as he served them some delicious meal as they enjoyed themselves, and also congratulated him on the new achievement. Jowizaza pulled up with a lot of expensive and luxurious cars, and Zanku, Slat and the Bille was also present there as everything went smoothly. Okay guys, I'll be sharing with you how the whole thing went down. Drop a comment below, tell us what you think about it, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Why there? Worldwide. That's the black president. The black president. If you pull head down. Don't fuck with us. Davido, you gonna do anything? You go take kiri 3 years. Then they go bring you back, carry you go in maximum prison. Yeah! Go use Scotty around you, carry you immediately, go lock you up. Then we and you come, they do all those ones, they do go lock you up. They don't go see you again. Hello. FL Tower. Saint-Tropez. Monaco. Bona. Oh, Cape Town. You dey rush, my brother. We don't on Sumo. Money where they find a spectrum money. I want a Rolls Royce electric. An electric Roro. My man. That's our pushing wall. And the second one is coming. Gucci. Look at money. My great two brother. Have fun, brother. Have fun. Make our baby the process well. Oh, no joke.